how to add phone overlay effects that floating in the air like this using CapCut for free on your phone. Open CapCut, create a new project and add a photo or video. Click on overlay, add overlay and choose the video you want to use. Go to animation, combo and find smartphone 1. Put it anywhere you want on the screen and that's it. An awesome effect to take your videos to the next level. You can also use it to promote your freebies, sales pages, new products, services and product details. Check it out and like this video if you enjoyed it. Now watch this video next to see how to put screen recordings and background photos inside iPhone using CapCut for free.